Billy said you got a nice haircut.
Haircut? Oh, nice, huh? I did the wig wag. My wife, she was using wig wag outside. It come out really nice. Thank you, Eva. And tonight we make a lasagna soup. And we got right over here all the ingredients in the front. We got hot Italian sausage, garlic, onion. I got my own made tomato. I need a little flake of hot pepper. And we got it over here the paste, tomato paste. I got a mozzarella. I need a basil. I need a ricotta. I was make a little ricotta. I make it by myself. Fresh ricotta. And we got the mafaldini pasta. And we got the pecorino cheese over here. I want to say salute e cin cin before we start the cook. Cin cin. Okay. And I got the chicken stock already over here. It's at the... Okay. And we warm up the pizza. And I got the sausage. And I want to saute the sausage first.
Billy said you got a nice haircut.
Haircut? Oh, nice, huh? I did the wig wag. My wife, she was using wig wag outside. It come out really nice. Thank you, Eva. Okay, we put the sausage. Okay, we saute the sausage a little bit, that give a little color. Stay a little bit, I give a little turn. E after we gotta put the garlic e onion. Non c'è bisogno zingara per divinare con c'è. E come t'ha fatta mamma te, io so ce ne liete. All right, look there. And now we put the onion and garlic. All right. Okay, now what we gotta do? I want to put a little tomato paste. Okay. And we give a nice, the paste, it give a beautiful color, a good taste too. Okay, look a beautiful color now you got it. We will cook a little bit more. Chin chin, salute. Okay, now my tomato. Okay, everything now. It loosen up everything on the bottle. Look at that. Now we got a little flake of the pepper. Don't not use too much, okay? You know, the sausage is already hot. And look what today what I picked up outside. Look there. Look at the cucumber. Look at this zucchini. Look how many cucumber I picked up today. Look there. I got more in the back over here. Look there. It's so nice. It's the zucchini. All right. Now let's check over here. Okay, now the tomatoes start to boil. And now I turn the gas off for the chicken stock. And let's put it. Okay. Now I got a little basil over here. I got so many basil, so much basil I got. And we put the leaves like this. And the basil give a really, really good taste. Yeah, we got 3 cups the chicken stock. I got 1 jar my tomato sauce. Okay, now this you gotta cook for half hour. Okay?
How many basil you have? Billy asked. You want to show?
Yes, yeah, sure. Let's go. This is my tomato. All right. Look, my thyme over here. Everything okay? Mm-hmm. And the parsley. Look at the big parsley. And the tomato. Look at the tomato. I got a mayo baby plant over here. And look at the tomato. look at the basil. Look how many basil I got. And look at the rucola. It's all rucola, this. I got the mint. In the back over there, I got the sage and the thyme more. And look at the plum tomato. This is a Roma plum tomato, this. You got 2 plants over here. Roma plum tomato. Okay, now the soup it boil.
Because after we have to put the pasta inside to boil together, but this you need to boil for now.
Yeah, you gotta cook for half hour. Okay, you got a fig. I got on the front that's big like this, but ain't not ready. Maybe tomorrow I gotta pick it up at 3, but it's really big. Okay, look how nice you looking now. Okay? All right, and now what I want to do, I want to do the dish for me. And I want to taste this lasagna. Look there. It come out really, really good. Okay. This, I use like this. I put mozzarella because the soup is really hot. And I use a little mozzarella cheese over here on the top. But if you want, you can put it in the oven for a couple of minutes. It's something else. Okay, now we got a pecorino cheese. Okay. We got homemade ricotta. And the homemade ricotta, I put a little bit on the top like this. And I got some basil. And we put a little basil on the top. You see, the mozzarella, look, this melt everything. Got the soup, it's really, really hot. You see the mozzarella?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Really, really good. With the ricotta, little spice. It come out delicious. Really, really good. I hope if somebody make it, it come out good. Salute e cincin everybody, and we see next time. You see the mozzarella cheese? It's all melted down. Look at that. Chin chin. Salute. Goodbye.